The Mighty Rock Portable Bidet. But is it the perfect solution to clean your butthole? That's what we're going to find out. I'd like to show you quickly what arrives in box. The whole thing is about 6 inches in length and comes with a nice carry case to hide it in. This cover over top is the water tank, and then this lever comes down to be your bidet. The tank goes on like so. This device doesn't come with batteries included, so you'll have to purchase a couple AAAs. The way to insert your battery is to flip open this flap, unscrew and install your batteries, and then screw it back on. Make sure you have it nice and snug because the lid of the batteries is actually where the water is being held by the tank when you fill this up. To use this, simply fill up the water tank about 90%, flip down your bidet nozzle, put your tank on, and then you're ready to use with low or high power setting. To show you how much pressure this thing has, I'm going to demonstrate squirting across the tub on the low setting. And now this is what you get with the high setting. If you're finding value in this video, then please consider hitting that like button. I'm also going to use this transparent microwave cover to demonstrate the water pressure up close. This is what you can expect on the low setting. And this is what you can expect on the high setting. Okay, but how well does this actually do in real life? I have to say that the portable bidet, even on the high setting, is nowhere near as close as having an actual bidet installed on the toilet. I did find after using this product for a couple of weeks that there were times where I had to fill up the tank about 2, sometimes even 3 times, and that's just not gonna work if you're planning on using the portable bidet at work, or if you're a traveler at an airport or really any public place. You can't just come storming out of your stall and fill up your bidet tank so that you can completely clean your butt without using very much toilet paper. What I can tell you though is the one tank will be enough in most cases to clean more than 50% of what you got there. So at the very least, you'll be reducing the amount of toilet paper that you use and the amount of harshness that you get on your butt from using toilet paper all the time. And especially that single ply stuff at the airport and at most businesses, it's just no thank you. And if you're looking for an affordable bidet that you can install right onto your toilet with really strong pressure that will get you cleaned up every time, then please consider checking out one of these 2 videos over here. I'm going to show you also how to completely install both of these bidets, and there'll be links in the description on those videos and where you can buy them. If you're into these short videos and reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye!